right, let us hit this. Okay, just one more step. Boom. So that's fine. All right, so today we made $24, right? Perfect. All right, so at the end of the day, you're seeing the total history. So for this account, we've just made $63. So I believe soon. All right, welcome to Full Stack EAP. We're in the gold market right now. This is the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minutes time frame, the price action is actually below the 200 moving average. All right, and then you are going to see what will I call it now? A structure downward, right? But it was actually going downward previously today, like more like a bearish trend, and then there was a reversal. Okay, so let me get to this. So you see this, and now you're seeing a consolidation at the 200 moving average. Okay, the value that was 4205.107. All right, so that was it, and now we had to place a we have to go short, right? Looking at this particular high, right? So looking at this high, and then you're seeing the same pattern happening here, right? So this is it. So you're seeing more like a support and resistance down here, right? So this is what it is, and it has been happening like this for some time, right? So you see the first move, the first turn here, right? You're seeing one. So if you sell here and rather buy, you're going to make a profit, and then it lingered even down here, right? So you can go for another shot down here, and then you see that. So you're seeing, this point actually, because when you are going to do a line of best fit, you're seeing that these are the point of reactions. This, okay, A, B, C, D, all right, D, all right. So now it's a hit our take profit. Okay, so we just made overall, since we've been in this section, 60 pips every day. You remember 60 pips every day. So for this account, we've made $51. All right, but for today, we will see. We just today, right? So hit it today, right? So just $12, right? Just $12. All right. So right now we are believing, because this is a downtrend, right? It's a downtrend, and they're gonna break structure. Look at this, boom, boom, the sideways structure, right? So we are seeing it moving aggressively, even downward. So we want to go for another one, but we need to be very careful, right? So let's go to the 1 minute time frame to see what the candles are actually doing there. All right, so you're seeing this now. There is a return. All right, so looking at this now, there's a return, and then when it gets to this, so I think we're going to place a buy stop here. We're going to place a buy stop. All right, let's do this. Putting up a buy stop at this point. So when we see a buy stop here, we are more likely to go for a buy, so it will go for a buy right now. So this is what we are projecting. All right, so let us zoom in, all right, and see this and how it's going. All right, so that's that. So you're seeing this. So you're seeing another supply zone right here. Okay, at the 1 minute time frame, you're seeing another supply zone. So you need to be quite watchful. I think I would wisely buy from there, right? Looking at this is a very strong. So I think we need to delete this now, or take it to the action, to the place of action. You just take it to the place of action already. Boom. All right, so I think it's not allowing that, so need to go for a show and then go for a buy now. Okay, need to go for a buy now, because we are seeing this point of this, more like a liquidity sweep here, going even bullish. All right, so we believe that this same thing will happen here. All right, so this is a very awesome supply zone, and then we're expecting demand zone, rather, demand zone. So we're expecting it to even go upward, right? So that is that. So gold has been bearish for some time. All right, so look at this bearish, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame, and you're seeing down here, looking at using the trend line right now, you're seeing okay, you're seeing from here to here, right? This, all right, you're seeing downtrends here, right? So then you're now afterwards, you're seeing a consolidation at this point. Okay, so okay, so we placed so I believe our take profit is at the best place. All right, it's at the best place. So let's go to the H1, and you're seeing more like a sideways movement. And then for those that are even going for very much what I call it now, going for a larger take profit, okay, you're actually gonna swing this trade and stay for a longer time, so you should be anticipating these reactions. All right, so this is where you should be anticipating on the long run for the H1, right? So look at this on the swing highs, right? So you are seeing a very strong bearish candle right here, and on the swing low you're seeing perfect demand zone that will definitely take the price up. All right, so here is just more like a consolidation that will just happen, oh no, within this day. All right, so we'll just take one more trade and then we'll call it a day in this section. All right, so let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame. All right, so as I said, we are below the 200 moving average, I believe. Yes, 200 moving average in the 5 minutes time frame, and we, from what the patterns, the repetition of the market, we are seeing that this structure, the sideways market structure, would definitely happen. Is a consolidation right here. All right, and the bulls are actually fighting back this time. The bulls are fighting back this time, and we are very much sure that this will return as it previously did. And after this trade, we're going to call it a day. So we are seeing this happening already. So let us zoom out. Okay, and then we're seeing this, right? Okay, let's just go back to the 5 minutes time frame. So we are saying this, right? So the bulls are actually making headway, pushing this even upward, right? And then let's go back to our trade and say, so we had $5 profit, and we just have to be patient this time. You have to be patient this time. If I had known, I would have placed my trade here, seeing this, but it's okay. This is actually fine as well. And then I did not take my take profit is within more like an average price range, not so far or too extreme on the high there, right? So looking at this, we are actually perfect, in our analysis. All right, so like I said, the swing high and the swing low, that is 420 0.42 and 4191.47. So this is where the market is actually fluctuating currently. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Because of this video, we're going to pause and skip at some point, and when it's getting to the take profit, we will resume this video. Right, so that's that. From what you're seeing, we're seeing that right now this bull are gaining strong momentum, taking the price even upward, right? So this tug of war is actually on the side of the bulls, right? So right now you are seeing a very strong bullish momentum, there, all right? So we are almost getting to our take profit, okay? So we just need to be patient and wait for it. Okay, so that's that. So from what you see here, you're seeing that it is actually bearish. The trend before the consolidation is bearish. All right, so it will mostly favor the bearish. I mean, this consolidation will be more likely towards the bearish side, right? In terms of probability, right? Terms of probability, right? We're almost there. So this is it. This is it for today. I think this is going to hit this, right? So this is it for today. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. Like I said, the bears are actually pushing back. The bears are strongly pushing back. I believe it will definitely get to this high 4200.42, right? So the bears are the bulls have already taken, the momentum right here, and then the talk of war is actually a real tussle, right? It's a real tussle. It's also right here. So let's just wait for it. Sometimes you would see that this could, like in the last video, there was a scenario whereby it almost got to our take profit and got to our, stop loss, right? So remember, we have our stop loss here. So the risk management is definitely way intact. All right. So this will definitely hit our take profit. It won't be like the last time that it almost touched our take profit and reversed. It can happen. It can really happen. And if it happened to you, you can drop the comment below as well. All right. So this is it. This is it. Let's go there. Let's go there. The bull should push this even up. Oh my goodness. This is really strong toss, right? So just part of trading. Okay. All right. So let's just check the H1 and see. Okay. So we're seeing this, and then we actually at the right direction right now. Okay. So really hit our take profit. I think we'll call it a day. All right. So let's see what happens. Okay. All right, let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. I think I need to zoom again and again. Let's go there, right? Let us hit this. Okay, just one more step. Boom. So that's fine. All right. So today we made $24, right? Perfect. All right. So at the end of the day, you're seeing the total history. So for this account, we've just made $63. So I believe soon we will double this account. All right. So this is the strategy we use for scalping gold. Right. And then if you want to use our BMT2, this BMT2, like you saw how it was very much efficient in terms of trading, fast clicks, and all of that, you can get it on our website. All right, can get it on our website. All right, so this is the website right now. So you can go to BMT, and if you're using Meta 4 or you're using Meta 5, you can click it right here and you can get the BMT, more like a trading assistant tool for fast and quick trading. You'll see everything about it. Is an amazing tool that can help you make profit quickly and fast. It can help you in your trading and make it more faster and more efficient. All right. So this is what it is. All right. So until then, see you in the next video. Please make sure you like and subscribe, turn on your notification button so that you can see our new videos and all of those things that can help you in trading. All right. So bye for now.